Good morning. My name is Nusai Gudaro, and today I'm presenting my Lab 2 assignment, which is on SQL queries. I will start by loading the command which calls up SQL into Python. I'll run it. Then I'll take this command, the SQLite command, which enables me to start coding in Python. My next step would be to create a database. For this presentation, I have chosen to create one for Coca-Cola's daily warehouse operations. Here's my database. It has 10 rows and 10 columns. So I'm going to just insert a cell here below to continue. So I would run this. Now, having run that, my next step would be to show you in a tabular form. So to do that, I'll run the select command so that it generates this database in a tabular form. Here we have it, 10 rows and 10 columns. So the next step would be to bring in a new entry. So assuming the sales and planning team have a new product called Coke Zero. Now they want to add this into the table to see how it looks alongside all the other initial products. So I'll run the query for adding new entries, which is the insert. And I have all the information in here. So I just run this. Now, for me to be sure that this has happened correctly, I would run the table view again using the select function to see that the new entry has been affected in my table. Now here it is. Row 11 now has Coke Zero. Moving forward, I would like to delete one of the rows. So it just so happens that soda is no longer in high demand. So the sales and operations team want to take it off the table. So in order to delete a row, we use the delete function like this. I will run this command now. And after running it, we can also check again the table to confirm the deletion. I just did that, run the command, and here we go. We don't have soda anymore. However, you can see that the IDs are no longer aligned. We have number 4 and number 6. So we need to realign this so that it's back in a serial fashion. In order to do this, to realign the IDs, I will run this command, which is called the update command. So the update command just interchanges the IDs as instructed. So on running this, we can view again the table to verify that the update command works correctly. So I'm running the table now again. And here we go. Now it's back in a serial fashion. The next step in the presentation will be to show how we can look up different matching letters. So say for instance, I needed to see all products that end with or that has an ER in it. I can use what we call the wildcard like this. So the wildcard has this percentage sign and it's run with the select also. So if I run this command, it tells me that I have two products that have ER at the right hand side of the product name itself. In the same fashion, I can look at products that has a CO in it. Using the same wildcard theory, if I run this, I would see Coke Zero and Coke. Moving on, you can also see that it's possible during the preparation of the reports, we forgot to add the sales locations, like the sales channels. So the sales team requires this information. Now this involves we adding a new column to the table. To add a new column to the table, we simply use this command, the alter table command. Now to do this, I will run this command. I've called the new column sales channel. Now if we were to view the table, we would see that the new column has been added. And this is how we view the table using the select function. So here we go. Scroll to the right. See that we have a new column called the sales channel. Moving on, you would also see that that new column has all its values showing as none. However, we need to have real values there. In order for us to have real values, I will use this update command to add values to where the values are currently showing as none here. So this command just tells us replace anywhere you see ID 1, replace with this term under this sales channel header. So if I run this command and I view the table again, we should see that it has been updated with the sales channels. And here we go. We have all the sales channels updated. Moving on to the next part. Now we need to see how to rearrange the headers either in ascending or descending order. Now this is important for operations too, because you want to see what is your highest stock of a particular product or lowest stock of a particular product. Now to do the ascending order, we use this command with the ASC. So now I want to check the arrangement for the opening stock. If I run the command, you can see that the opening stock is now arranged to us from the smallest to the largest. And quickly, it's easy to see for the plant team to see, oh, Coke Zero has the highest opening stock for the day, and Coke has the lowest for the day. In the same vein, they can run this in descending order if they wish to see that. And to do it in descending order, we use same command, just changing ASC to DESC. If I run this, you can see that the opening stock is now arranged in descending order, from the biggest to the smallest. Next on the lineup, we have being able to introduce count. So let's say you want to know how many items, how many products there are in the reports. So you can easily use the count function. And if I run this count function, it tells me that I have 10 products in my report. Now, it's also very important to have some form of visualization, charts, or graphs and all that. Now, in order for me to plot charts, I have to import the library called Matplot. So I use this command to import the library. This helps me to create my visualization. So if I run that, now I can start with the first set of visualization. In this, I want to see all my physical balances, which means my current stock on ground by product name. Okay, and I picked a bar chart. So if I run this, it shows me exactly how I'm faring in terms of my physical balance and my different products. In the same vein, I can also change the color if I wanted. In this second one, I would assume I'm an inventory manager and I want to see what are my cost variances for the day. Now I've changed the chart color to red, as you can see here. And if I run this command, it will show me. So it's very obvious that I'm losing about $600 on water and about what, a bit above $200 on what item is that, on Coke Zero. So these are like my highest variability, my highest variable items. Moving on, I will show you the last part, which involves deleting and dropping a table. So to drop a table, you simply use the drop command, which is this. Once the table is dropped, we need to confirm that it has been deleted. Doing that, it shows you this. No such table exists. And that ends the presentation. Thank you for listening.